In this video, we will show you how to make a Google spreadsheet forms. We can creating a spreadsheet and connecting to our form, so the answer will record into our spreadsheet. How to do that? First, we can open our Google spreadsheet. Okay. After that, you can click the Google spreadsheet workspace. We can click sign in. For example, we will creating a spreadsheet. Okay, and in here we give the name of our spreadsheet is uh, hotel check-in, for example. Okay, and then in our cell, okay, we will creating a number and the second name, and for C, okay, we will using time. Then for D, we will using day. Okay, and make sure you remember this record. Okay, and this is automatically saved. Okay, using this number, name, time, day. We will creating a bool in here. After that, we need to open our Google form. Okay, we will creating manually our Google Forms and select Google Forms and click sign in. We will creating a form based on this data, number, name, time, and day. Okay, we can creating manually form with click blank form. Okay, we will creating this form with hotel check-in, for example. Okay, and the option one, because the first record is number, we can using there is linear scale, for example, or you can using short answer. Okay, in here I will choose linear scale. This is just for example, and this is 1 until 10. Okay, and I will give this number. You can give label optional. Okay, required, and we can click this to add the second. For the second records is name. I will using short answer. Okay, this is name. Okay, done. Then we can click required and add question again. Okay, the number 3 is time. Okay, we can using in here time. Okay, you can see this is time, and we can select required also. Okay, and the last is day. Okay, we can click this and we can select date or short answer. For example, we can select date. Okay, and this is day or date, for example, like this. Okay, that's all. Okay, then we can click required again. Time also required. So all form or all field must be filled for user. Then we can link our Google spreadsheets, okay, that we just created, link it to our form by clicking link to sheets here and select existing spreadsheet. We can click select. Okay, now we have hotel check-in on our Google spreadsheet. We can click this and click insert. And you can see here the Google Sheets remove our yearly record like number, name, time, day. So this is just pre-format. The Google will delete after we link it into our form. In here, we can rename our responses table. Okay, For example, hotel check-in, like this. And the Google form edit timestamp in here. Okay, now we can share our form. Okay, but before that, we need to make sure the name is also changed here. Okay, then we can click publish anyone with link, and we can click publish, and we can click this. Okay, got it. Click this to share our link. Okay, we can paste into another browser. We will try to fill this. Okay, number one, if time 9 and like this, day or date is tomorrow, for example. We can click submit. Okay, now we can see our responses, or we can click directly view insights. Okay, you can see here. You can see here. We can make this in the center. Okay, you can see there. And the number second, we will try to record again. For example, number two, name John, and this is 10, 0, and click submit. And review in our another browser. You can see here. Okay, we have the record number, name, time, day or date. Actually, you also can doing this, but this is just recommend because when you're creating a form, you need to creating a question based on this. Okay, that we created before. And that's all that we can create the Google spreadsheet forms. Hope this video helpful for you.